Good noon to all. Today discuss about IPC, instrumentation and process control. Unit number 5, the control system. તો આજનો point છે this one. Servo problems versus regulator problem. Simply a theoretical part for a previous lecture topic in this basis for a standard block diagram symbol for a negative versus a positive feedback. And this is a servo problem versus regulator problem જે જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, the first point start करिए in this basis. First one, the control system in a figure 9.2 જે આપણે ફિગરમાં ડિસ્કસ કરવાના છે, and the consider from the point of view of its ability to handle either two types of situations. Okay, એની બે ટાઈપની સિચ્યુએશન છે. ફિગર 9.2 જોઈએ આપણે. For this one જે આપણે બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. Simply the which is the set point, this one TR is a operator, control mechanism part, controller some error part, final control elements is a process, control variable, then the bypass to the measuring element for measured variable for this part. Okay, in the servo problem versus regulator problem. Okay, the control system of figure 9.2 can be considered from the point of view of its ability to handle either two types of situation. In the first situation, which is the called servo mechanism type, यानी कि servo problem कहेसु આપણે એને, and we assume that there is a no change in a load for a temperature, and that we are interested in changing the bath, the temperature according to some prescribed function of time. Okay, and for this problem the set of the point TR. Okay, first of all the load TI કીધો છે અને set point TR કીધો છે જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈએ છીએ એ પ્રમાણે. ઓકે, ફિગરમાં જુઓ this one TI અને TR set point. Okay, then we can interested the changing the bath temperature according to some prescribed function of the time. Okay, for this problem the set point TR would be changed in accordance with the desired variations in a bath temperature. Okay, and the variation is sufficiently slow, the bath temperature may be accepted of follow the variation in a TR very closely. There are occasions when a control system in a chemical industry is part where TR is very closely in this part. There are the occasions when a control system in the chemical industry will be operated is in this manners. For example, one may be interested in varying the temperature of a reactor according to the prescribed and time pattern, temperature pattern. However, the majority of the problem for this type of discussion part described as the servo type come from field other than the chemical industries. Okay, the tracking of the missiles and aircraft and automatic machining of intricate parts from master pattern are a well-known example of the servo type problem. The other situation will be referred to as the regulator problem. In this case is the desired value TR, which one desired value TR is to remain fixed, and the purpose of the control system is to maintain the control variable in a TR. Okay, જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોયું છે પ્રમાણે. Which one control variable for this part, and after the measuring element for measured variable TM. Okay, set point क्या है આપણી પાસે TI TR for a controller mechanism part. Okay, the desired value TR is the remain fixed. The purpose of the control system is to maintain the control variable at TR, the speed changes in the load TI. This problem is very common in the chemical industries, and the complicated industry process will often have many self-contained control systems, each of which maintain a particular process variable at a desired value. These control systems are of the regulator type. Considering the control system in the following chapter, we shall frequently discuss the response of a linear control system and the change point. Which one? In the change in the point, this one, the servo problem. And separately from the response to a change in the load for a regulator problem. Set point and a change in the load and a regulator problem. However, it should be the realized that done to be only of convenience this basis approach to obtain the response of their type of essentially the same and to the response may be superimposed of the obtain the response of the any linear combination of setup and the load change. The response of the any linear combinations of the set point and load changes. Okay, this is a simply servo problem and regulator problem છે. હવે જોઈએ આપણે development of the block diagram. This is one development of the block diagram. Then after the process measuring elements જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, development of block diagram in the process જોઈશું. હવે ડેવલપમેન્ટ ઓફ બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ આપણે જે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈએ છે જોવાના છે, જે ફિગર 9.2 પાર્ટ છે એનો ઉપરનો પાર્ટ આપણે જોયો છે ને એ જ. This one development of the block diagram system. This one. Okay, so again repeated part for a comparator, TR set point, controller, final control elements, any processes, and the control variable measuring element for a measured variable, any controller mechanism part. Okay, this is simply mechanism in the development of block diagram. Okay, the development of block diagram. The in a figure 9.2 માં આપણે જોયું કે previous lecture માં block diagram આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા. The functional relationship existing between the input or output of particular component. Okay, and the previous chapter such input output relationship we are developed in the form of transfer function. જે આપણે transfer function જોઈ ગયા હતા simply in a block diagram representations of the control system. The variable selected are deviation variable, and inside each block is placed the transfer function relating the input or output pair, and the simply variables finally block are combined into overall block diagram. Okay, the in a procedure followed by in the developing figure 9.2 એને આપણે ફોલો કરવાના છે, જે આપણે સર્વો પ્રોબ્લેમ જોઈએ, સર્વો પ્રોબ્લેમ વર્સિસ રેગ્યુલેટર પ્રોબ્લેમ, or simply which is a block diagram of simple control system. This basis for a set point in a this is a load set point TR and a load for a regulator problem. Okay. Okay, this is a simpler discussion part for development of block diagram. Then after the process જોવાના છે. Okay, in a figure 9.2 માં આપણે જોયું કે functional relationship existing between the input or output of particular component. In the previous chapter such as the input or output relationship for a transfer function in a block diagram representations of control system. In a variable selected are deviations variable, and the inside each block is placed the transfer function relating the input or output pair of the variable. Finally, the blocks are combined to give the overall block diagram. This is the procedure is true in a development of the figure 9.2 માં આપણે જોયું છે. હવે સિમ્પલી આપણે પ્રોસેસ જોવાની છે મેન, કે કયા બેઝિસ પરથી વસ્તુ જે આવશે તે જોવાની છે. Consider the first block in this process. This block will be seen to differ somewhat from those presented in a previous chapter into two input variable are presented. Okay, then however the procedure for developing the transfer function remain the same. જે કન્સિડર આપણે ફર્સ્ટ બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ કર્યો હતો ઇન ધીસ પ્રોસેસ માટે ફોર ધીસ બ્લોક ઇન વિચ સીન ટુ ડિફ્યુઝર and somewhat from the presented in a previous chapter in this the two inputs for a variable in a presented. Okay, and the unsteady state conditions balance માટે જોઈએ આપણે the energy balance for this basis. Which one? For this, okay, Q plus WC Ti minus T0 minus WC T minus T0 is equal to rho CV dt by dt. ये जो कैपिटल टी અને સ્મોલ ટી બે વસ્તુ છે. ઓકે, જે વસ્તુ બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ પરથી આવશે. and T0 is the reference of temperature at steady state dt by dt is 0 and equation 9.1 be written જે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન 9 કર્યું હતું આગળ એના બેસિસ પર dt by dt the Qs plus Wc Tis minus T0 minus Wc Ts minus T0 is equal to 0. આપણું સેકન્ડ ઇક્વેશન છે. Okay, for this one and this one, two equations. Okay, the Q plus W C Ti minus T0 minus Wc T minus T0 is equal to rho Cv multiply dt by dt. T0 is the reference temperature at a steady state temperature. dt by dt is 0 and the equation 9.1 can be written for these equations. Qs plus Wc Tis minus T0 minus Wc Ts minus T0 is equal to 0 and where the subscript S has been used to indicate steady state. The subtracting equation, so from equation 9.1 gives the Q minus Qs plus Wc Ti minus Tis T minus Ts rho Cv d T minus Ts by dt, this equation. And the notice for these references temperature T0 cancels in the subtraction of in the introduce the Ti dash in which term, this one is equal to Ti minus Tis, Q is equal to Q minus Qs, T dash is equal to T minus T. Okay, the Q plus W, the Q minus Q is equal to Q આવશે. ઓકે, એ 9.3 ના ઇક્વેશન્સને આપણે બેઝિસ પર લખ્યું છે આ રીતે. Q plus WC Ti dash minus T is equal to rho Cv dt dash by dt. And then taking the Laplace transfer of the equations 9.7 we get for this basis equation Qs plus Wc Ti dash s minus T of s is equal to rho Cv st dash in s. Okay, then after these one equations એના બેસિસ પરથી આવશે ટી એસ ને કરતા બનાવો રો વી બાય ડબલ્યુ એસ પ્લસ 1 એને એરેન્જમેન્ટ કર્યું છે, રીઅરેન્જમેન્ટ અને સોલ્વ કર્યું છે ઇક્વેશન્સને, તો આ પ્રમાણે આવશે this one. This is simply procedure and this last expression can be written and the T dash s is equal to 1 by Wc, the T s plus 1 Qs plus 1 by tau s plus 1 T dash s, the tau is equal to rho into V by W. There is a simply change Q of T only the T in bracket, the transfer function relating the T dash to Q is the T dash s by Qs is equal to 1 by Wc by Ts plus 1. જે આ ઇક્વેશન તમે સોલ્વ કરશો ને આ રીતે તો એના બેઝિસ પરથી તમને આ ઇક્વેશન્સ મળશે this one. So T dash s by Ti dash s is equal to 1 upon tau plus 1. This is a first order reactions Laplace transform નું, જે અહીંયા આવશે x of s upon e dash s upon x of s આવશે. Okay, then equations 9.10 is represented. Which one? 9.10, this one એને represent કર્યું છે. The block diagram shown in the figure 9.3a this one. Block diagram 9.3a. Okay, 1 upon tau s plus 1 upon wc tau s plus 1 1 upon wc tau s plus 1 આ એરા બધા ઇક્વેશન્સ ને જોયા છે E અને B માં. ઓકે, this is the procedure. Okay, then the a block diagram that is equivalent to figure 9.3a shown in a figure 9.3b. Okay, this one જે આપણે equation solve કરે છે આયરવા this one. Then 9.4 for a summing junction જે input output આપ્યું છે. Okay, this term માટે for this basis finally derive this equation. This one WC TIS minus T0 minus WC TS minus T0 plus f of s H8 minus H1s Hg. Okay, this is the not equation part. T0 reference temperature used to evaluate enthalpy of the streams. Hg HLIS. Okay, this one HLS is equal to Ts minus T0. Ts minus T0, and the from the we get the steady state temperature HIS and HQS for this figure 9.5 supplying this heat system. Okay, for this basis for reactions last one this one Q is equal to H F Hg minus HLS. Okay, so thank you so much. Next week આપણે જોઈશું measuring of elements. Okay, so thank you so much.